researchers have revealed a groundbreaking AI power tool that can detect deepfakes in real time, potentially revolutionizing our defense against digital deception. As deepfake fraud attempts skyrocketed by 3,000% in 2023, this technology emerged as a critical shield against the rising tide of AI-generated scams. But in a world where seeing is no longer believing, can we truly trust AI to be our guardian of truth? In this video, we will explore an AI tool developed by Ensign Infosecurity that can detect deepfakes in real time with astonishing accuracy. So, are you ready to see through the illusion? Let's start by understanding the scale of the threat we're facing. Deepfakes are not just a minor nuisance. They are a digital pandemic. In 2023 alone, there was a staggering 3,000% increase in deepfake fraud attempts. That's not a typo, 3,000%. This explosion in AI-generated deception is sending alarming shockwaves through industries worldwide, from finance to politics. But what exactly is a deepfake? At its core, a deepfake is a piece of audio or video that has been manipulated or entirely generated by artificial intelligence to make it appear that someone is saying or doing something they never actually did. They are getting so good that even experts can struggle to tell them apart from the real thing. The implications are chilling. Imagine a world where any public figure can be made to say anything, where business deals are hijacked by digital doppelgangers, where elections are swayed by fake videos of candidates. This isn't dystopian fiction, it's happening right now. Take the case of Hong Kong, where executives were duped into transferring a whopping 200 million Hong Kong dollars, that's about 34 million Singapore dollars, to fraudsters. How? The scammers used AI to mimic their chief financial officer in a video call, approving a transaction that looked and sounded completely legitimate. This isn't just a financial loss, it's a stark warning of how vulnerable we all are to this new breed of high-tech con artists. But it's not just a corporate world that's under threat. The political landscape is equally at risk. In June 2023, a deepfake video of Singapore's senior minister Lee Hsien Loong commenting on international relations and foreign leaders started circulating online. The potential for such fake videos to disrupt political processes, especially as Singapore gears up for its next general election, is a serious concern. And let's not forget the global stage. Remember the viral video of Ukrainian President Volodymyr Zelensky seemingly calling on his soldiers to surrender to Russia? Yup, you guessed it, a deepfake. The potential for such AI-generated content to escalate international tensions or manipulate public opinion during critical times is nothing short of terrifying. So, what's being done to combat this digital menace? Here, enter Aletheia, the AI-powered deepfake detector developed by Ensign Infosecurity. Named after the Greek goddess of truth, this tool is designed to be our digital guardian against the rising tide of AI deception. Aletheia is not your average software. It's a sophisticated AI system that can detect both video and audio deepfakes in real time, with an accuracy of up to 90%. That means it can spot a deepfake almost as quickly as you can see or hear it. But how does it work? Let's break it down. When an image or video has been manipulated using AI, it leaves behind subtle patterns in how the pixels are arranged. These patterns are like digital fingerprints, invisible to the human eye, but telltale signs for an AI trained to spot them. Aletheia scans for these unnatural patterns, analyzing video pixels and audio frequencies to determine whether the content has been tampered with. During the live demonstration, Ensign's team showed how Aletheia could quickly spot a deepfake during a video call, using an impersonation of pop star Taylor Swift as an example. The software flagged the fake within seconds, proving its ability to work in real-time scenarios. But Aletheia isn't just about spotting visual fakes. Its audio detection capabilities are equally impressive. In another demonstration, the tool promptly identified a voice deepfake of Senior Minister Lee Hsien Loong. This is crucial because audio deepfakes can be just as dangerous as video ones, especially in scenarios like phone scams or fake voice messages. What sets Aletheia apart is its ability to operate in real time and in the background. Unlike some solutions that require users to upload suspicious content for analysis, Aletheia works silently as you browse the web or participate in video calls. This means you don't need to suspect you're looking at a deepfake to be protected. Aletheia is always on guard. The technical prowess of Aletheia is impressive. At just 500 megabytes, it's a compact application that can run locally on users' laptops. This local processing is a big deal. It means your sensitive video calls or content aren't being sent to the cloud for analysis, addressing major privacy and latency concerns. Aletheia is versatile too. It's available as an endpoint software application for Windows users or as a Chrome browser plugin for other systems. And for those worried about integration, Aletheia can be seamlessly incorporated into enterprise cybersecurity infrastructure, providing organizations with a comprehensive view of their digital security landscape. But Aletheia isn't alone in this fight against deepfakes. Other players are entering the arena, recognizing the urgent need for detection tools. ST Engineering, for instance, has unveiled its deepfake detection software called Einstein. Then there's Sentinel, a cloud-based solution allowing users to upload suspected deepfakes for investigation. And Sensity, a multi-modal real-time detection system. The emergence of these tools highlights a critical point. The fight against deepfakes isn't just about having one perfect solution. It's about creating a robust ecosystem of detection methods to stay ahead of the ever-evolving threat. And evolve it will. The sophistication of deepfakes has skyrocketed thanks to advancements in generative AI and large language models. These technologies have democratized the creation of highly convincing fake video and audio content, making it easier than ever for malicious actors to produce deepfakes at minimal cost and effort. This is where the true challenge lies. As Lee Joon-seung, Vice President of Machine Learning and Cloud Research at Ensign Labs puts it, the arms race between creating and detecting deepfakes will only intensify. It's a digital cat-and-mouse game where detection tools must constantly evolve to combat the latest threats. But the implications of this technology go far beyond just catching bad actors. It's about preserving truth in our digital age. In a world where seeing is no longer believing, tools like Aletheia become guardians of reality itself. They're not just protecting us from fraud or manipulation, they're safeguarding the very concept of truth in the digital realm. Think about the potential impact on journalism, for instance. In an era of fake news and misinformation, the ability to quickly verify the authenticity of video or audio content could be a game changer for news organizations. It could help restore trust in media at a time when it's sorely needed. Or consider the legal implications. As deepfakes become more prevalent, how will our justice systems adapt? Will tools like Aletheia become standard in courtrooms, used to verify the authenticity of video or audio evidence? These are questions we'll need to grapple with sooner rather than later. The educational sector, too, stands to be significantly impacted. As deepfake technology becomes more accessible, schools and universities will need to rethink how they assess students' work and maintain academic integrity. Detection tools could become as common in educational settings as plagiarism checkers are today. As we've seen, the threat posed by deepfakes is real and growing, but so is our ability to fight back. Tools like Aletheia represent a crucial line of defense in our increasingly digital world. They're not just software, they're shields protecting us from a tidal wave of AI-generated deception. But technology alone isn't the answer. As individuals and as a society, we need to cultivate a healthy skepticism towards the content we consume online. We need to be aware that not everything we see or hear is real, even if it looks or sounds convincing. Education will play a crucial role. We need to teach digital literacy from an early age, helping people understand how deepfakes work and how to spot them. Policymakers too have a part to play. Singapore has already taken steps in this direction, introducing a bill to restrict the use of deepfakes and other AI technologies that could distort electoral outcomes. However, as technology evolves, so do our legal and regulatory frameworks. For businesses, the message is clear. Deepfake detection needs to be a key part of your cybersecurity strategy. Whether it's Aletheia or another solution, having the ability to spot AI-generated fakes in real time could be the difference between falling victim to a multi-million-dollar scam and stopping it in its tracks. But perhaps, The most important takeaway is this. In the fight against deepfakes, we're all on the front lines. Every time we share a video without verifying its authenticity, every time we believe a piece of audio without questioning its source, we are potentially spreading misinformation. We need to be more mindful, more critical, and more aware of the content we consume and share. As we wrap up, let's remember the words of Tan Tuan, head of Ensign Labs. The democratization of deepfake technology has raised serious societal risks, from commercial frauds and the spread of falsehoods to the manipulation of public opinion. But with tools like Aletheia, we are not defenseless. We have the means to fight back, to protect ourselves, our businesses, and our societies from this digital deception. As we sign off, I want to hear from you. Have you ever encountered a deepfake? How do you think this technology will impact our society in the coming years? Leave your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe.